من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها النبي حرض المؤمنين على القتال صدق الله العظيم فتوا है शेख का ये ज़माना कलम का है दुनिया में अब रही नहीं तलवार कारगर Honorable Judges, Islamic scholars and dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic on which I would like to express my thoughts is about abandonment of jihad and the current state of Muslim Ummah's degradation. Esteemed audience, without doubt, the decline, humiliation, degradation of Muslim Ummah status are primarily due to turning away from the commandments of Quran and Sunnah and heritage of our ancestors. As Iqbal says, गवादी हमने जो असलाफ से मीरा सिपाही थी सुरैया से ज़मीन पर आसमान ने हमको दे मारा. In the current age, the biggest reason is the abandonment of jihad, as Allah Almighty has commanded in the noble Quran, وَقَاتِلُوهُمْ حَتَّى لَا تَكُونَ فِتْنَةٌ وَيَكُونَ الدِّينُ كُلُّهُ لِلَّهِ, and fight against them until there is no more operation and all worship is devoted to Allah alone. The companions of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, followed these commandments, resulting victorious against superpowers of the era like Roman empires and Persian kings. Mr. President, avoiding and manipulation of these commandments under the names like political struggle and legal efforts. As a result, the entire Ummah has fallen in the flood of disgrace, disrespect of jihad, a noble duty that we have given up, has been the symbol of Muslim Ummah and identity of Muslim culture. For the guardianation and dignity of Islam, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has participated in 27 ghazwats. Likely, his most magnanimous part of a Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon his noble life, was spent confrontation with enemies of Islam, including fanatics in Mecca, Jews in Medina, Christian and Hebrew cities in other regions of the world. It conveyed that the true invention to faith, there comes the stage when the founder of Islam has to take up arms, facing challenges from those who obstruct the call to Islam, including oppressive powers and tyrannical states. Mr. President, from the journey of Mecca to Ethiopia, from Ethiopia to Mecca, from the migration of Mecca to Medina, from the Battle of Badr to Battle of Uhud, from the Battle of Hunain to the Battle of Tabuk, from the Constitutional Agreement of Medina to the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, from the unknown position of Ummah to the great victory of Fateh Mecca, the history has witnessed that the Muslims have ruled on the entire world due to the power of sword and word. Allah Almighty states, the companions displayed strife, struggle, faith, zeal, zest, courage, sacrifice and readiness to die for the sake of Islam. Example of extraordinary dedication and sacrifices for the honor of the word of Allah are found in Islamic history. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, present in nearly 27 battles from Medina to distant and nearby places in the last 10 years of blessed life to curb the aggression of opposing powers. Meanwhile, the companions were sent 47 times to confront the enemies of Islam for dominance. Even now, if the Muslim Ummah wants to get out of its degradation, worst condition, to regain its lost dignity, prosperity, and wants to rise or rule on the world, then we will have to work on the basic principle of Islam in the light of Quran and Hadith. I would like to end my topic with these words. May Allah bestow us with courage and wisdom to regain and to retain our lost paradise and exemplary destiny. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينَ.